Living beings are adapted to living in different habitats. They adapt in various ways to their habitats. Observe carefully the shapes and movements of the animals. Animals such as fish living in water have streamlined body. The streamlined body helps them in swimming. Note carefully the movements of fish. An arrangement of muscles and a flexible backbone allow the fish to push its tail against the water. Note how the fins help the fish to paddle through water. The tail fin helps in pushing itself through water. The pectoral fins help the fish to move through different levels of water, that is, move up and down in water. Water enters through the open mouth of the fish. The mouth then closes. Water is pushed back to the gills. Gills take up oxygen from water. Did you know that some marine fish excrete excess salt through gills? Can you guess why? It is for osmoregulation, or keeping the osmotic balance of body fluids against salty environment. Many fish have a swim bladder which is filled with gas. The swim bladder gives buoyancy or upward thrust, which helps in swimming in water. Animals living in shallow water also show many types of adaptations. Have a close look at these animals and plants. Turtles also have streamlined body. Streamlined shape of fish or turtles helps them in swimming in water by reducing resistance caused by water. Did you note anything special about the shape of the body of crab? The flattened shape of crab facilitates swimming. Did you know that frogs are amphibious? They can live both in water and on land. Moist skin helps in exchange of gases when frog is in water. Lungs help in gas exchange on land. Webbed hind limbs help in swimming. The webbed feet of ducks make them good swimmers. Whales are good swimmers too. Note the paddling movements of flippers of whales, which make these huge mammals such good swimmers. Observe the plants carefully. Note down any adaptations for living in water that you can see in these plants. The lily plant can absorb water and mineral salts all over the surface. There is a waxy coating on the leaves. Water can run off easily over the waxy coating and the leaf is protected. Leaves float on water. Note the long and slender petioles or leaf stalks that hold the leaves above water. This is the transverse section of petiole. Observe the large air chambers. These air chambers help in keeping the petioles floating. The submerged parts of the plant remain aerated because of the air chambers. Note the leaves carefully. They are round and float on the water. The roots are fibrous since water is readily available. Petiole of the leaf of water hyacinth is swollen into a spongy bulb, often called pseudobulb. Pseudobulb has many air chambers to keep the plant afloat. These are submerged plants. These may be found at the floor of the pond. These plants have flexible stems and narrow leaves which help in withstanding water currents. These are mangroves. These grow in areas where the river meets the sea. It is a new metaphor. It is a specialized root branch of mangroves growing above water. It has pores on its surface. It also has intercellular systems of air spaces. These are rice plants that grow in standing water. Rice plants can grow long rapidly to keep stems and leaves in the air. Also, the stems and roots have air chambers so that oxygen can reach the submerged part. Now observe the common aquatic plants shown in the video clips and discuss them with your teacher. Make a list of adaptive features of the various animals shown in the video clip. Compare the list with that of your friends.